Between selling your data for ads, outright leaking it, and frequent price fluctuations, users far and wide are seeking the best GDrive alternatives. To help with this, I've got a thorough pCloud review, so together, we can find out if this provider offers a private way to store your files and lets you do it for a lifetime with a single fixed payment. Like many other providers, pCloud offers regular encrypted cloud storage subscriptions with monthly or yearly payments. And while the prices are quite affordable, there's nothing revolutionary there. What makes this provider stand out though is its lifetime cloud storage package. Once you make a one-time payment, there are no recurring fees and you get permanent access to secure cloud storage. If this is something you've been looking for, then the QR code on screen and the link in the description will get you a discount on any of their plans. If you do opt for the pCloud lifetime deal, there are a variety of different storage sizes available. There are also limits on shared link traffic, which is how much data can be downloaded or accessed through the links you share with others. For example, the 2TB plan has higher traffic limits than the 500GB option. The next question that comes to mind in this cloud storage review is, will anyone really use a lifetime subscription for all their files? The answer is probably not, but we all have large archives of documents, personal projects, and other important files, and we need the best cloud storage to keep them safe and secure. In these cases, the 500GB or 2TB lifetime plans make a lot of sense. You can store copies of essential personal documents, projects, and resources that you reuse often. A one-time payment for storage also ensures long-term access without worrying about price increases or reoccurring fees. If, however, you only use the cheapest Google Drive plan with minimal storage, then sticking with it might still make sense. It's probably the better option if you have less sensitive files or short-term projects you can easily delete once they're no longer needed. Aside from offering some of the best cloud storage for long-term file keeping, there are additional benefits I'll cover next in this pCloud review, starting with advanced privacy protection. The company is based in Switzerland, which has strong privacy laws and data protection regulations, unlike countries such as the US. The dashboard also includes plenty of granular sharing controls, allowing you to create password-protected links, set expiration dates, and control download permissions. This gives you full control over who can access your files. For an additional fee, you can also add pCloud encryption. With this feature, your files receive a layer of pCloud encryption before leaving your device, meaning the company itself can't access the contents. That makes it ideal for sensitive documents and private projects. pCloud Cloud Storage also includes reliable backup and file versioning. It keeps previous versions of your files and deleted items for a certain period, which is essential for long-term projects and avoiding accidental data loss. And since the lifetime plans include generous traffic limits for shared files, you can share large projects without worrying about hitting those limits too quickly. As far as drawbacks go, full client-side zero-knowledge encryption costs extra, though the overall pCloud pricing still offers a solid price-to-value ratio. Also, there's no built-in real-time collaboration. So unlike Google Drive or OneDrive, pCloud doesn't let you edit documents or collaborate on files directly in the cloud. To sum up this pCloud storage review, I personally think the offered plans are ideal for securely storing files long-term with strong privacy measures, especially with the added benefit of generous sharing limits. Okay, thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.